Step into the Ram 2018 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, off-road package included, front performance tune shock absorbers, off-road decal, black wheel flares, transfer case, skid plate, shield tow hooks, rear performance tune shock absorbers, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 66 RFE, STD, electric shift on the fly, transfer case included, storage tray, tires, LT 275/70R18E owl on off-road, spray and bed liner, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, and engine, 6.4L heavy-duty V8 Hemi with MDS included, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs, 11.50 inches single wheel rear axle, 180 amp alternator. If you are